Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel That Happy Soul, and welcome back to another episode of Quick Review. And in today's video I will be reviewing Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. So this is basically clarifying shampoo which helps to get rid of all the greasiness, dryness, product buildup, gently removes the dead skin, impurities and product buildups. So this product comes in this tub form which has approx 236 ml of the product. Talking about the texture of this product, I'll show you the texture. It is creamy, it is grey in color with some white micro exfoliators which is the actual scrubber, or you can say exfoliator, which helps to get rid of the dead skin or the impurities that your scalp has. So as this is an exfoliating shampoo, it doesn't mean it doesn't have leather or you cannot use as a cleansing shampoo. I have used this shampoo and I didn't find any need to use any other shampoo after this. Like once you wash your hair with this one, you don't need to add any other moisturizing or any other cleansing shampoo, because this itself smells good, plus it has a very good leather, and your hair or your scalp which will automatically feel very refreshed, very clean after using this. The fragrance of this product is amazing. It smells like peppermint, it has spearmint as well, so it feels like all refreshed and minty when you use, and when you get out of the shower you will be like all refreshed and you'll come with cooling and soothing feeling. So let's talk about the ingredients, because what matter is the first 5 ingredients of any product. So I have gone through all the ingredients that it labels here. And yes, it has glycerin is in its 5th or 6th ingredient. If you are strictly CG approved girl or you follow strictly CG, then this product is not for you, because 2 of the ingredients in this product are not CG approved. Moisturizing, yes, this is a moisturizing shampoo. Your hair will not feel any kind of dryness, because usually when you use any clarifying shampoo they are very dry, or you have to use moisturizing deep conditioner after using any clarifying shampoo. But after using this, your hair will not need any kind of deep conditioning. Or you can buy this product from Sephora, or you can also buy this from Mecca Cosmetics. How to use this product? So about the usage, all the usage instruction is given at the back of this product, so you don't need to struggle like how should I use the product. You can simply read out, or I can tell you, you just use this shampoo as normal. Because of it has small exfoliators, you should give a good massage to your scalp for like good 3 to 4 minutes. That will help to get rid of the product buildup or the greasiness or the impurities, whatever your scalp is having. So yes, give a good scalp massage with the help of fingers, obviously. So moving further, let's first talk about some of the key ingredients that this product has and which makes it different from any other clarifying shampoo. So the first product is the Binchotan Charcoal, hope I pronounced correctly, which is also known as white charcoal, which comes due to the white ash residue it leaves behind, which are made from tree branches. Binchotan charcoal is a type of activated charcoal. It is also called as purest charcoal on the earth. So how the Binchotan charcoal helps? It detoxifies the scalp and draws out impurities that clog the hair follicle or that cause buildup on the scalp. Due to its extremely porous structure, it is also renowned for its ability to absorb impurities and unwanted taste and odor from water such as chlorine, and it also helps to soften and add minerals to water as well as purify the air. So this is one of the most important ingredient. Another key ingredient that this product has is coconut oil, which moisturizes the scalp to prevent dryness and flakiness. Next, peppermint, spearmint and tea tree oil complex, which provides a cooling effect to the scalp and reduces itchiness, irritation and flakiness. So these are the 3 important ingredients which makes this product smell so amazing and so refreshing. And the fourth but not the last is the panthenol, which provides essential nutrients that strengthen the hair root and shaft. So these are some of the important ingredients which all together makes this product special, amazing, soothing, refreshing, and obviously makes you feel to use it again and again. I personally use this product in every 15 days or 2 weeks, you say, because my hair attracts dirt, greasiness, product build up very easily, and I need something which has a good smell, and on the other side it clears my scalp easily. I have used some of the other clarifying shampoo as well with ACV, but you know the smell of the ACV. I cannot take that smell. I don't like the smell of the ACV. It gives me headache. So I wanted something which smells good and clears my scalp as well, and I found the combination. Also, not to forget, this product is free from 6 things, which includes no harsh sulfates, no parabens, no silicone, no phthalates, no artificial dyes, and some other things which I will all mention here. So it is basically cruelty free, vegan, 98% naturally derived formula. And at the back of the product it mentions that the life of this product is 18 months, and I'm sure this, once you start using this product, you will definitely finish this before 18 months, which is a very good time of the product, because if the product has very short time, you never know how long it's gonna take to finish. So I think product should have at least good long product life. So this one has a good product life as well. And talking about the price of this product, I bought this from Sephora, which I think cost me between $50 to $60, and yes, this one is little pricey and comes at the high-end product, but due to the good fragrance and after having a good result, I am happy to spend that much of money, and I know that once this is finished, I am going to restock this one again. I will also show you some of my results after using this. I have found my scalp very clear. Before that I had some flakes, product buildups, all white thing going on my scalp, but after using this and giving a good scrub scalp massage to my scalp with this product, with the help of my fingertips, I got good results, clear, refreshing, good smelly, good fragrance, everything like good results. So yes, this was my quick product review for this product. Come back again for another product review. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.